your favorite killer MP Didmus Baraza, who at no point removes the notoriously red cap from his head, has literally stripped Senator Boni Khalwale naked. This is after Boni Khalwale, who is known for his powerful stone collection prowess, accused the Mulembe leader of public display of wealth and opulence in a manner that has angered the general public and triggered anti-government protests. Didmus Baraza unleashed what I refer to as terrible and great missiles on Kenya's chief stone collector Boni Khalwale. I will quote what Baraza had to say, but before I do that, if you are watching for the first time, be sure to like and subscribe so that YouTube can notify you when we upload another video. Now this is how Didmus Baraza roasted Senator Boni Khalwale, and I quote, beginning of quote, "Senator Boni Khalwale, I have heard you mention me in the Senate proceedings regarding my purchase of an helicopter. Indeed, this is true. I made a choice between having one wife and helicopter and trusting God. In contrast, you chose a Nissan Patrol, 10 wives, over 25 concubines. You fathered 46 known children, and you are maintaining 35 houses for hood rats across the country. Maintaining such a large family and numerous homes is exponentially more expensive than having one wife, one helicopter, and 3 children. You are just an old and superficial and misleading fella." End of quote. This was much a ruthless declaration with very little room left for Senator Khalwale's comeback. Referring to Kimilili Member of Parliament Didmus Baraza, Senator Khalwale had earlier on spoken of a young Member of Parliament who hails from the Mulembe community, whom Khalwale knows very well and whose source of wealth is questionable, having recently bought an helicopter at a very young age. Khalwale ridiculously wished Didmus Baraza well and urged him to continue accumulating wealth. Now, interestingly, Khalwale hinted that parliamentary committees could potentially be the channels through which public funds are embezzled and channeled to politicians' gluttonous pockets. Senator Boni Khalwale just underscored a less thought about fact. An helicopter can hardly change the fortunes of a politician. Listen to the bombshell that Khalwale unleashed on Didmus Baraza.
The public display of wealth and opulence, unless members of the public can quickly see where you've gotten it, they will not be happy. Over the weekend, I was speaking of a young member of parliament from my community who has bought a helicopter. And I know him very well. I wish him well to continue accumulating wealth. I wish him well to continue accumulating wealth. But please, I'm asking the president to ask himself, how can the membership of an MP to a committee of parliament be the basis for him to be able to afford some of the things that are not affordable? Honorable Didmus Baraza, take it easy. Those helicopters will not change your life.
If you love this content, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative content and entertaining content such as this. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below because your opinions do matter.